Hey whales, good evening. It is Monday, November the 17th. Hope you guys are having a great trading week so far and hope you guys had a great weekend. Let's recap the markets and go over NVIDIA here for tomorrow's trading session. I've been getting a lot of requests for NVIDIA as, a lot of chatter on X about possibly a top is in. A lot of people are selling their NVIDIA shares, big names, big whales. So let's go over exactly what I'm expecting moving forward, if you should be buying more, what you should be doing, and let's go over all of that. Now, as always, before I jump into the analysis, let's go over our trades so far for this year to see how we're doing. And you guys can see we're absolutely killing it, right? We're up 97K in profits, guys, for this year. We only started with 100K at the beginning of January together. So 97K, amazing return so far. 63% win rate across our trades as well. You can see for the month of November. Great start to the month. We're in about 7 or 8 different swing trades as we speak. A lot of them are about to reach full profits here. So great momentum going into December. We're about to get into about 4 or 5 different swing trades as well going into the end of this year. So again, guys, all the trades that you see, everything literally is posted here in Discord. You get the entries, target, stop losses across all these swing trade stocks, right? Day trades as well. And you get commentary on exactly when I get in and get out of trades, right? So I'll be holding your hand. We'll make a lot of money together. I look forward to seeing you. The link is in the bio for you to join. Okay, so with that said, let's jump into NVIDIA, guys. So overall, just as a disclaimer, right? We did get into NVIDIA with the Discord group at the lows here, okay? And we've been trimming along the way. I basically took a lot of my profits at these highs here with the Discord group, right? And we're basically, in sort of a no man's land. There's 2 different main scenarios that I want to go over today. The more bullish scenario, and this is very possible, is that we're looking for a wave 1, 2, 3, still working on this complex correction for a 4. Okay, so we're looking for that 4th wave to come down between 166 to 145. It might not get down there, right? Because it could sort of, we're on the 50 daily moving average, so there's a lot of support here. It can actually pump up and reach 233. So that's the main target for this last 5th wave. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, and one more 5th wave higher. Okay, that's what we're looking at, but I do like this double correction closer to 166 before trying again to 233, and then this would end the cycle from the April lows. All of this would be a wave 1 high to finish off all of 5 waves, okay? So that's basically what I'm looking at, and I do like the confluence between, you have the measured move, the 1-to-1 measured move, you have the 200 daily moving average acting as support as well, and this would be a nice flush down to make a lot of people sell here. And then, the big money would gain liquidity to go in and fill in and then ultimately try to push this higher, right? So that's sort of, a great idea for the next buy zone, okay? So that would be a pretty good buy zone area. Now, the second scenario is that all of this, okay, would be a 3, 4, and 5 that got put in place because you guys can see we did sort of make this bull flag. And obviously, you see 5 waves already in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This came with bearish divergences on with every new peak. Okay, so if that's the case, then this would be the first buy zone. This would turn into a failed wave and then come down. Okay, so this would ultimately turn into basically an ABC correction, right? Very common after 5 waves are in. Okay, and then we're looking to see if the market can reach ultimately 130 for NVIDIA down to 113. So this is still a bullish path, guys, right? Don't get me wrong. 1, 2, and then 3 higher to at least 241. But the main target, if 130 can hold, is a 288 level, okay, for a wave 3 on a macro scale. So 1, 2, wave 3 would try to reach 288. Okay, so 2 main scenarios there that I'm looking at. Overall, we are still in a bullish path, weekly, daily. They're all still, pretty much bullish here, right? I wouldn't get too bearish as of yet. There's nothing for me to really be causing concern that this is the ultimate top and then, NVIDIA is going to break this low. We're not there yet, okay? We're definitely not there yet. So, things we need to keep a lookout for is the S&P 500, right? If we do lose this level at 656 to 638, then yeah, I mean, we're looking at the 200 daily moving average as the next pit stop. If we go to the weekly, right, then that weekly 200 weekly moving average would be the doomsday level. Okay, so you know we're still in a weekly uptrend if you just zoom out. It's just a little bit sketchier, yes, I admit, a little bit sketchier, but not too crazy as of yet. Okay, I do see a nice healthy correction, a snapback possibly to 166. Definitely could be an idea, right? You can see on the weekly level for Nvidia, the last time it reached the 50 moving averages on a weekly. So that is a nice landing spot for possibly bulls to step in to try to go for one more time. Okay, so you know, if I do see any larger doomsdays, I will keep you guys updated every single day as always, right? But until then, again, I'm looking for 166 and 145. I don't know if we'll reach down there, right? We can still pump up from here, to be honest, but if it does come down there, it is a nice sort of landing zone, you know, to take a shot at, okay, for a swing. So again, guys, everything in terms of the entries, target stop losses, they're all posted here in Discord, so you got to come through. I give you exact commentaries across swing trades, day trades, 100x baggers, updated counts every single day, especially for companies like Nvidia, Palantir, Meta, right? So I look forward to seeing you again. Have a great rest of your Monday night, and see you tomorrow.